So you guys have been open since 6 p.m. Thanksgiving. How's it going? Give us a status update.
So last night at the front door where I was standing, we opened the doors 6 p.m., which is 2 hours earlier than last year. We thought we had, extraordinary crowd last year, 15,000 last year. There's no way we didn't pass that number last night. I was standing there and just, I had to move out of the way and lean against the Louis Vuitton wall because I didn't want to get trampled. And they're actually very nice and gentle, but they were constant. For 20 minutes I stood at the front door and the doors never stopped spinning. It was amazing.
So how would you describe the mood of the crowd this year?
I would say it was fantastic. You know what was different is that this year we had, of course, always there's cameras from all over the world here at Macy's Herald Square because it's such an extraordinary event. It's the largest store in the world. This year, the customers had their cameras, and they're filming each other and filming the experience themselves, walking around with their video cell phones and taking it all in to share with their friends and family. So I think they were into it. I think they enjoyed it. And the good news is they're walking out with a lot of bags.
One of the trends that we've been seeing the past few years is sort of the spreading out of the Black Friday sales atmosphere. Thanksgiving getting earlier and earlier, blending into Cyber Monday, even Black Friday deals all week. Is there a concern that this has sort of become diluted, that maybe the whole Black Friday concept is a little bit dysfunctional now?
Well, I think, what I always try to do is I always try to put the customer at the center of my decisions. And so we can listen to anybody who wants to have a point of view about it as an individual, but ultimately you have to listen to your customers. And just look at the store now. I mean, the store is extremely busy now. It was even more so last night. So I think customers are choosing the times that they want to shop, and then we have to be responsive to that. And that's, I think, what retailers like Macy's is doing. Now, Bloomingdale's is not opening until 7 o'clock on Black Friday because their customer just did not have the same urgency in terms of the survey work that we were doing. So it just really depends. But Macy's is such a big and diverse store with a very, very broad audience. We have to listen to all of our customers, and they clearly wanted to be here last night.